how often should you shampoo your carpet? It's a question that many homeowners grapple with. In this informative video, we will provide you with valuable insights and expert recommendations on how often you should shampoo your carpet for optimal cleanliness and longevity. Carpets endure daily wear and tear, accumulating dirt, dust, allergens, and stains over time. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep them looking and feeling their best. But how frequently should you shampoo your carpet? Carpet shampooing is an effective method to deep clean your carpets and remove embedded dirt and stains. It revitalizes the appearance and extends the lifespan of your carpet. However, the frequency of shampooing depends on various factors. The frequency of carpet shampooing depends on the level of foot traffic in your home, the presence of pets or children, and any specific health concerns such as allergies or respiratory conditions. Generally, we recommend shampooing high-traffic areas every 6 to 12 months, while less used areas can be shampooed every 12 to 18 months. Alongside carpet shampooing, regular vacuuming is crucial for maintaining clean carpets. Vacuuming at least once a week helps remove loose dirt and debris. Additionally, prompt spot cleaning of spills and stains is essential to prevent them from setting in and becoming harder to remove. Implementing preventive measures can also minimize the frequency of carpet shampooing. Using doormats, removing shoes, and regular carpet maintenance, such as routine vacuuming and professional deep cleaning, can help reduce the need for frequent shampooing. Professional carpet cleaning is a vital component of maintaining your carpet's health and appearance. In addition to regular shampooing, we recommend scheduling professional deep cleaning every 12 to 18 months to address deep-seated dirt and allergens. Professional cleaners utilize advanced equipment, techniques, and eco-friendly solutions to provide a thorough and effective clean. They have the expertise to tackle stubborn stains and restore the beauty of your carpets. To summarize, the frequency of carpet shampooing depends on factors such as foot traffic, pets, and health concerns. High-traffic areas should be shampooed every 6 to 12 months, while less used areas can be shampooed every 12 to 18 months. Regular vacuuming, spot cleaning, and preventive measures are essential in between shampooing sessions. And don't forget the importance of professional carpet cleaning every 12 to 18 months for a comprehensive and deep clean.